Hey guys, my name is Benny. Welcome to the channel. This is going to be my first video, and what it's going to be about is my experiences with my daily driver, which is a 2017 F80 M3 competition. And I live in the Northeast and I drive it every day. I drive it through the winter, and you know, most people would think that, you know, rear-wheel drive, you're not going to get anywhere, especially up in the Northeast. I live in upstate New York. And my car isn't stock, it's modified, so you're gonna see all the little craziness and things I do throughout, you know, the ownership of the car. I also do have a secondary car, which is a E92 M3 competition package. It's space gray. It's more of a garage queen. I wish I had a garage. It's actually in the carport, but yeah. And we're gonna go for a little bit of drive. I'm gonna talk about some things I like, some things I hate. You're gonna hear the car. Probably won't be able to hear me because my exhaust is pretty loud, but you know, see what happens. Let's go. So we're walking to my E92 M3 right now. Let's take a look. I haven't driven this car probably in like a week or two. It's just been parked here, hanging out. I actually bought this car probably beginning of last month, and I only put about 1,000 miles, and most of that was driving back from Pennsylvania. It's completely stock, don't even have tints yet. It's like 28 degrees today. It's frigid, actually. It's super cold. You know, I got it for a really good price. There are some minor imperfections. Whoever last owned it had some curb rash, and gotta fix this stupid splash guard. Go for a quick spin. So I did lowered it, wheels, has a tune, has a meisterschaft GT2 exhaust. I actually took out the X pipe, so it is a tiny little can. Yes, it's Sriracha, but let's go for a drive. I actually named my car Exia. Let's start up the car. I've had this car for about 15,000 miles. This is a cold start. This car, I had a F10 535. It was a 2011, and I modded it, and I was just hungry for more power. So the next step up was going to the M3. Literally in the first like 2 weeks, I put 1,200 miles on so I could start the tuning process, you know, the break-in period. I got that over with quick, and I flashed the ECU. I got an exhaust. As a daily driver, I would say this car is amazing. You know, a lot of people would be like, oh, I can't believe it daily rear-wheel drive in the winter. I'm like, you know, it's not that bad. As long as you have the right tires, you'll be okay. And this car is fully loaded. The only option it's really missing is the ceramic brakes. 8,000, 9,000 option. There's no way I would do that. They're nearly. So let's start with the list of what's been done to my cars. It is tuned. It does have an exhaust. It's on lowering springs, not coilovers. I'm on stock wheels, and I have some intakes. Nothing too crazy. Woo. This car is a torque monster, and that's the biggest benefit of the Flash. I didn't really care that I got a ton of horsepower. It's the torque that I use on a daily basis. I can pass basically like 90% of the people on the road. The E92 is more of my weekend car, and you would think it would be the other way around. This would be the weekend, the E92 would be my daily. If you like my videos or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'll try to make more videos on a weekly basis. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Check out this footage of me cruising with my friends. See you next time.